Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the FTLM STLM indicator for MT4 and MT5. This trend-based oscillator combines fast trend line momentum FTLM and slow trend line momentum STLM to show both short-term and longer-term price momentum around the zero line. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And here we have it. In the sub window, the FTLM STLM indicator plus an FTLM average line and STLM bars that oscillate between positive and negative values of 0. So you can see the two lines, how they oscillate around 0, the 0 line over here. When FTLM is positive and STLM is positive as well, the indicator suggests an upward trend and potential long conditions. When both are negative, it suggests a downward trend and potential short conditions. Courses of FTLM through 0 and flips of STLM from negative to positive or vice versa visually signal shifts in trend and momentum. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, so FTLM is calculated by subtracting a short-term moving average from a long-term moving average and then averaging that difference. Positive FTLM means the fast MA is above the slow MA and momentum is up, while negative FTLM means the opposite. STLM is derived by subtracting the current price from a long-term moving average, showing how far price is from its longer-term trend as positive or negative bars. Traders can choose which component to focus on: FTLM for faster signals, STLM for a slower, broader view, and combine both to support/resistance and other tools for entries and exits. As for who is for, the FTLM STLM indicator is suited to traders who want a concise view of current trend and price momentum that reflects both shorter term and slower trend conditions. FTLM can be more volatile because it uses shorter term data and may produce choppy signals on its own, while STLM responds more slowly and may miss early moves. Neither should be used in isolation without confirming analysis and risk management. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full FTLM STLM indicator overview, including buy/sell rules, pros and cons, and usage tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.